Welcome to Krixik. In this example video, we'll review how to easily and cost-efficiently consume a transcription AI model of your choice through a single module Krixik pipeline. For context, transcription is the process of converting spoken language into written text. Its applications include creating subtitles for videos, facilitating accessible content for the hearing impaired, automating meeting minutes, and generating searchable archives of spoken information for easy reference. After you install Krixik and initialize your session, your first step will be to assemble your pipeline. You do this with the create pipeline method. The create pipeline method takes two mandatory arguments, name and module chain. Name is the pipeline's unique identifier, so set it wisely. Module chain specifies the sequence of modules you want in the pipeline. In this case, you only need a single transcribe module. Your pipeline is now ready for file processing. You can test it with this audio clip of a gentleman speaking about the great country of Colombia. You'll transcribe the audio with the module's default model. As of this recording, that model is Whisper Tiny, which belongs to the popular Whisper family of transcription models by OpenAI. Be sure to check our documentation though, because it may have changed. Or simply sign up for our newsletter or follow us on social media and we'll let you know. Since this is the default model, it doesn't need to be specified. To process the file, invoke the process method on the pipeline you created. The process method takes one mandatory argument, which is local file path. This is a basic file path indicating where the audio you wish to process is stored in your local drive. The other arguments here are optional and all have default values if not specified. For example, local save directory indicates where in your local drive you want the output saved, and expire time specifies how long process data should be kept on the Krixik system before being deleted. There are other optional arguments beside these. With the audio now processed, you can print the output of the process. Here it is, beginning with That's episode looking at the great country of Colombia. It's not 100% accurate, but keep in mind that this is the smallest, fastest, and most cost-effective of the Whisper models. Also note, these models also output timestamps and a confidence value for each bit of transcribed text, but they've been excluded here for simplicity's sake. If you wish to use a model that isn't the default model, use the module details method or check our documentation, which is linked to below, to see a list of all available models. Then simply add the optional modules argument to the process method. It's included at the bottom of this code cell, specifying that you wish to now use the largest model of the Whisper family, Whisper Large v3. As you can see, the output with this model is different and a bit more accurate, but is missing punctuation. As always, be sure to familiarize yourself with the peculiarities of any model before you use it in production. Is there any transcription model you'd like to use in a Krixik pipeline but that isn't currently available? Let us know via GitHub, X, or email. We're always looking to add more great models to our modules. Thank you for watching and welcome to Krixik.